Hello! Today, me and my daughter, we are unboxing this parcel. Well, it's something that I bought on eBay and it arrived. It arrived to our secret location, as you can see from the address label. And Helena, would you like to say something to our viewers, our 3 viewers?
Hi.
Hello. So let's get this thing on. If I'm not mistaken, this is actually an interesting parcel because I have no clue what's inside. You might wonder how come I have no idea what's inside since I ordered it from eBay. Well, the thing is that I ordered a mystery parcel of 6 cars to arrive. Yes, Helena?
Right, peanut butter flavour mega buttons.
Yes.
The Deli dog.
Yes. Luckily, as we can see, that's not what's inside. So, this is a mystery parcel of 6 cars times 2, if I'm not mistaken. So, let's see if there's anything good and if it was worth buying this mystery thing or it was just a waste of money. Helena, how do we open this?
Cut up here.
Just watch your fingers. Okay. What's your YouTube channel called?
Pre-released. Go sub.
Yeah, pre-released. It's my daughter's channel. She has whole 1 video on it right now. So I'm sure you'll be entertained. So let's see if this was anything good in here.
Channel link in the description.
Or not. So
Probably
this is made in Thailand. Is this a Matchbox or is this... It's Hot Wheels, of course. Everybody will correct me. Or it looks like Hot Wheels logo. Does it open or will it break?
Probably will break.
Yeah. Looks like it could open. We'll figure it out later on. So I'm putting it here in the corner of this. So yeah, so far I think that was not a good thing to buy. I'm not very excited. Hot Wheels. Malaysia, Corvette. If that was a real car, then it would be nice. Let's put it there. Something with... Yeah, another Hot Wheels. I was expecting a bit more of diversity with... Oh, there's something interesting. Yeah, Hot Wheels. Just Hot Wheels.
Yeah, comment below if you like Hot Wheels
Or if you don't like Hot Wheels.
or if you don't like Hot Wheels, still comment.
Or if you have completely no emotions related to Hot Wheels. If you don't care about Hot Wheels. Or... Okay, that's interesting. Super GT. I don't have that one.
You mean we?
We don't have it. 1995, which is a copyright here, so could be produced anytime ever since. Does it have... The windows are black. That's different. Okay. What else have we got? Something broken off.
Yeah.
Broken windshield, cracked, Matchbox, Harry Hustler. Okay, 1971, copyright here, not bad. You're 49 this year. Ooh, okay, Humvee. I think I have one of those somehow by chance. And it's Matchbox Humvee. Yeah.
Hey Dad, what's better, Matchbox or Corgi?
I like both.
Yeah, but what's better?
Oh well, I like both. Both are good. Okay, we have a combine. This was Matchbox, definitely. Yes, 1977, made in Macau. And it's complete. This arm is a bit bent. Boom, boom. But it's good, looks good. I have two of those at least, but not in this color, I think. So that's a good one. Okay, I see something that I really like. Oh, hey Helena, you asked about Corgi. Here's one. Okay, one of my absolutely favorite castings and cars is Austin Taxi, the London Taxi. The iconic black London Taxi. Helena, do you like London taxis?
Yeah, I saw. One of our neighbours has something that looks like a...
Yes, our neighbor has an electric modern version of that car, which I have a model of from Matchbox as well. Right, let's go back to less exciting cars, less exciting for me. Hot Wheels, of course, 2018, so that's pretty new. Only, what car is this actually? Lamborghini Centenario Roadster. Not bad, really, actually. I don't know, what do you think about the color of the car?
The colours,
Okay, I'll leave this one for the end.
It looks always futuristic.
Oh, that's Hot Wheels 2009. I really don't like cars that have non-transparent windows. It looks a bit like, you know, cutting the corners, so to say, to make a nice toy. This is dirty, which is excellent. I love washing the cars.
Yep. This table is just... The reason there's a towel on this table is because my dad always washes stuff on this table.
Yes, I do. Lesney ergomatic cab. There should be something on top of this. It's missing. It should be some tanker, probably, from the shape of the bed.
Or cargo. Or like
Well,
a cargo
it looks like a place for a tanker cistern because it's bent.
Or missile. Big missile.
Not really. It has tin wheels. It's not bad. Is the blue transparent? Okay, where's the camera on this phone? It is. It's not bad. Okay, this one's for last. Okay, that's a really cool... I think this is the coolest item of those all that is here. It's Plymouth Belvedere. Please tell me how I should pronounce. So it sounds nice. Does it roll? I have one of those and it doesn't roll very well. The front axle is bent and I think it's Budgie, the maker. It's not on the description, but it's a really cool car. There's a driver there. I like it. That's my favorite one. The frame of the windshield is broken off, or there was just some plastic is missing, or it seems like it's missing. But it's the best car. So overall, wasn't worth it, unfortunately. Or was it? Helena, which one is your favorite of those cars?
The orange one.
The orange one, yeah. For me, my top car will be this one, Austin Taxi. Okay, I want to see if this one opens. As it slides a little bit. Should it open? Should it not? No. I like this one as well. Cool. So that was the mystery box that came in just today. Yeah. Well, I think I should say something about liking, subscribing, commenting. Helena, how does it go?
Subscribe, you must.
No, please be kind to our viewers.
Please subscribe.
Thank you, guys, girls, random people, aliens, pets of random people, pets of aliens. Thank you for watching.
Pets that are aliens.
So, and I know what they could comment on. They could say which one is their favorite. Oh, little shake for the end of the video. Comment, tell us which one you like or which one you hate.
We also might post a YouTube story about us peeling off.
We'll see about that. Perfect. Okay, Belvedere. I like this one. I think this one made it worth it. Thank you.